My engine was overheating badly last week, and I honestly thought my car was done for. The real cause? Surprisingly simple. I was driving when I noticed the temperature gauge creeping way up. A few minutes later, the warning light flashed on. I knew I had to stop. If your engine ever overheats like this, pull over immediately and turn it off. Don't risk driving any further. I let it cool down for about 20 minutes. Super important. Never open the radiator cap when the engine is hot. Pressurized steam and hot coolant can spray out and cause serious burns. Once it was cool, I checked the most common cause of overheating, the coolant level. And yep, the reservoir was almost bone dry. I simply topped it off to the full line, checked for any obvious leaks around the hoses. Luckily, there were none, and started the engine. The temperature went right back to normal. Before you rush to a mechanic, always check your coolant. It's often the quickest and cheapest fix.